Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akafim here, and in this training today we are going to be talking about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency for a beginner? How do you get started with cryptocurrency as a beginner? A lot of people have been asking me questions about cryptocurrency. They want to get started with cryptocurrency, but they haven't seen any course teaching them the actual basis of what cryptocurrency is all about and how they can get started with it on a beginner's level. So I thought to record this video sharing with you everything I know about cryptocurrency for beginners. So let's get started. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency / asset. Yes, unlike the traditional money, naira, dollar, euro, and the rest of them, you can touch them, in as much as you can still transact them with virtual platforms like PayPal and the rest of them, but then you can as well touch them. But cryptocurrency is totally virtual. You can't touch something. Someone can tell you, okay, this is Bitcoin, this is Ripple, this is Ethereum. No, it's virtual. But then in as much as it's virtual, it serves almost the same purpose that money serves, right? Yes, you can use it to buy stuff from some websites that enable cryptocurrency transactions. You can also use it as a medium of payment in some countries, right? So that is what cryptocurrency is all about. Cryptocurrency was invented to fix the problems of traditional currencies by putting the power and responsibilities in the currency holders, not in the hands of governments. Yes. Now, take for instance, when you want to send money from your country to another country, you are subjected to paying high transaction fees for international transfers. But then with cryptocurrency, sometimes it's just $1 depending on the network you are using to do the transfer. Nobody cares if it's an international transaction. That is what cryptocurrency has brought to us. Yeah, so this is actually the main purpose Bitcoin came to solve before other currencies followed suit. All the currencies adhere to 5 properties and 3 functions of money. Go and research about 5 properties and 3 functions of money. All the cryptocurrency assets adhere to them, and they each also attempt to solve one or more real world problems. For instance, there is a token now called Maya token, MAJA. Is a token by people who actually advocate for cannabis to be approved, to be made legal, for the legalization of cannabis. You see, this coin now has a real world problem that it intends to solve. Likewise, Ripple, Ethereum, and all other cryptocurrencies out there, most of them have real world problems that they intend to solve. So what makes a cryptocurrency asset actually what people investing in? It depends on the real world problem that it is solving. That is why you see today we have some cryptocurrencies that are linked to sports, that are linked to horse racing, that are linked to so many things out there, so many real world problems. You get? So this is what cryptocurrency is all about. Then we head over to other cryptocurrencies out there. Most times when you talk about cryptocurrency, people tell you Bitcoin, but then we have over, if not over 10,000 cryptocurrencies out there, both the ones on CoinMarketCap and the ones that are yet to be listed on CoinMarketCap but are already doing good numbers. Sometimes you go to CoinMarketCap and you check new tokens that are just recently listed. You see a token that is recently listed trading at $5, $10, $20, $50 because they have been at the background working, probably because they have not met the target of 1,500 holders that CoinMarketCap require. But then it doesn't still make them useless. They are working at the background. So let's take a look at top 5 cryptocurrencies. This doesn't make them the best. I personally selected them. You can go ahead to research more about other cryptocurrencies out there, but then I personally picked these 5. Now we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular, followed by Ethereum, Binance Coin, Dot and other etc. We have Ripple, we have Solana, we have a whole lot of them. And also we have SHIB. SHIB is actually a shitcoin, but then let's see how it goes in the next 5-10 years. It might survive the bear market, it might not, so we are just going to see what happens with it. So how do you check the prices of this cryptocurrency? Some of you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dot, Ripple, Binance coin, but then you want to know the price to see if it's what you can afford. Now we have some websites that serve as regulatory platforms where you can go and check the prices of these tokens. And what are they? We have CoinMarketCap, we have CoinGecko, and a whole lot of them. There are plenty. If you go online and type how to check the prices of cryptocurrency, you will see a whole lot of websites that helps you give live check time of cryptocurrency prices. But then I had to just select these two because they are kind of the most popular cryptocurrency price platforms. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, they are very easy to use. You can just type them on your browser. Okay, let me show you for CoinMarketCap alone. I'm not going to show you how to use CoinGecko. So this is CoinMarketCap. Sorry, my network is. Please, let's just continue with the video. If it connects before the end of this tutorial, I'll go back to it and show you how to use it. If it doesn't, you can figure that out by yourself. So we have different categories of cryptocurrencies. We have the smart contract platform tokens, we have the exchange-based tokens, we have decentralized finance tokens, which is DeFi. We have non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are mostly in vogue now. Then we have the metaverse tokens, since Facebook announced changing their name to Meta rather. A lot of metaverse tokens have emerged and are seriously skyrocketing. So now what most people are talking about is NFTs and metaverse tokens. If you don't have NFTs and metaverse tokens at the moment, then I don't really know what you are doing in the crypto space. So we also have gaming tokens. We have stable coins like USDTs and Binance USD and the rest of them. We also have shit coins. We have some coins that don't have any good use case. They just come to, you know, make money, help people achieve some kind of financial freedom, and before you know what's happening, they rug pull or they go into extinction. So if you are investing in any cryptocurrency, you have to know what the purpose that cryptocurrency has come to solve. You need to know the real world problem that cryptocurrency has come to solve, because this actually enables you to find out if this cryptocurrency will stand out over the years. If Bitcoin did not really have what it intended to achieve, by now probably nobody will be hearing about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. You get the point? So before you invest in any cryptocurrency, you have to make sure that that cryptocurrency have a real world problem that it's solving, that it intends to solve. So that is it. You can make more research about these categories that I've mentioned: DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, metaverse tokens, gaming tokens, and a whole lot of them. We have under gaming tokens, we have AXS and the rest of them. So make your research and invest wisely in these tokens. Then now you have heard about different categories of cryptocurrency, what cryptocurrency is all about. How do you get started investing in cryptocurrency? How do you get started investing in most of these categories of cryptocurrencies that I've talked about? How do you store them? Where do you buy them? So we have different cryptocurrency storage ways, which is we have wallets, we have exchanges where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, we have wallets where you can easily store cryptocurrencies and you can easily send it out and receive with this wallet. But in most cases you don't really trade with them, although now with DeFi we can easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies on our trust wallets using the apps and a whole lot of other exchanges that run on the trust wallet apps like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and a whole lot of them. So in this case we have trust wallet. For me, trust wallet is the best because that is what most people use and it is secured, not like so secured, but then Everly, the hard wallets are the most secured, but then trust wallets can serve you. That is what I'm using, and that is what a whole lot of people out there are also using. We also have IM token. I have IM token. I use it too. So depending on the one you want to use, you can use trust wallet, you can use IM token. Depends on the one your spirit allows, you get. So we have exchanges too. We have Binance exchange. Binance seems to be the most accepted exchange almost all over the world, apart from the countries that banned it and so on and so forth. Then we have KuCoin, we have okex, we have Coinbase, we have a lot of exchanges. We have a whole lot of exchanges. So you just have to make your research and also make sure to invest in exchanges that are secured to avoid losing your funds. Yeah, so how do you use cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency serves as money, but this time around is digital. I've talked about this before. Cryptocurrency is also used as a medium of exchange. It is used as a payment gateway. It is used as a payment system. Companies are beginning to accept cryptocurrency as a medium of payments. Companies like Amazon, there was a time Amazon announced something about accepting one cryptocurrency like that, and also most times you see Elon Musk talking about accepting SHIB as a medium of payments in his company. So companies are beginning to accept both Bitcoin as a medium of exchange, Ethereum as a medium of exchange, and other coins that appeal to them as a medium of accepting payment from their customers. How do you buy and sell cryptocurrencies? You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies from exchanges, like I said, Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and a lot of exchanges out there. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies with swaps like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and a whole lot of we have thousands of swaps out there. We even have SafeMoon swap and a whole lot of them. And also you can buy cryptocurrencies through P2P. Binance have a P2P platform. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies from there. How do you avoid scams in the cryptocurrency space? One, most P2P platforms, if you don't take care, you get scammed of your hard-earned money there. So you have to make sure you are buying from the right persons, buy from trusted exchanges. There are some swaps out there that are fake. If you put your money, your whole wallet gets wiped off. And also, if you are using trust wallet, I advise you to have 2 trust wallets if you know you are going to be doing airdrops. Not every link you see that you click on your phone, because just through clicking a link on your WhatsApp or clicking a link that lists your trust wallet, your whole wallet, all the money you have on your trust wallet can be wiped off. Scammers in the cryptocurrency space are the most the smartest. Scammers in the cryptocurrency space, right? They are the smartest. So if you are dealing with cryptocurrency, you have to be extraordinary smart to avoid being scammed. And also, if you are creating the trust wallet app, make sure to save your private keys where only you can have access to it, because if someone has access to it, the person can easily log into your account and clear all your funds without you knowing. So the best thing for you to do is to write it in a diary, save it in somewhere that only you have access to. But then don't forget, this is back in the years, you see parents wanting to write their will so that when they die, the children will easily have access to their properties. In the digital space, in cryptocurrency space now, what you hand over to your keys is your private keys. Your private keys is all they need to access. What my mic is properly set. Okay, your private keys is all they need to access all your phones in the cryptocurrency space. So when you are trying to secure it, know when to hand it over to your sisters, your brothers, your parents, so that it will not be when something happens to you, you will not be able to hand over all you've worked for to your siblings. You get the point? Yes, I'm sure you do. So we have, how do you make money from cryptocurrency? I actually have a special video for this particular topic, how to make money from cryptocurrencies. 8 different ways you can make money from cryptocurrency. So you have to stay tuned to my channel if you want to learn 8 different methods of making money from cryptocurrency. So but let's look at what I already have here today. We have buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. You can buy cryptocurrencies at a lower rate and sell at a higher rate. Then we also have day trading, spot trading, futures trading. Please, if you are a beginner, try to avoid futures trading. Try to avoid futures trading, whether isolated or cross. Try to avoid it if you don't have extra capital. Even if you want to test out futures trading, test it out with what you can afford to lose comfortably. There are money you can afford to lose comfortably. If you have $100 in your portfolio, you should be able to afford to lose $10 comfortably, depending on how much you have. So don't trade futures if you don't have money that you can afford to lose comfortably. You can focus on the spot market and make some cool money from there. There are people that have been in the spot market over the years and they are killing it there. So for you to start trading, you need to have the basic knowledge of both technical analysis and also how the market works before you start trading. Don't trade blindly. So the next point here is investing. We have long-term investing, we have short-term investing. You can invest in a project for a 1-month period, for a 2 days period, for 24 hours period. You can invest in a project for 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. You can even buy tokens. You can even buy some projects now for your unborn children. You can start investing in your unborn children from now. If you buy dots for your unborn child now, in the next 10 years, dots there is a lot to do in this cryptocurrency space. Now is no longer a time where they tell you to start saving 10,000 naira every month for your kids. No, don't save it in the bank. Invest it in assets that will grow. Invest it in assets that will grow. So that is all you need to know about cryptocurrency for beginners. Now on our channel next, we have how to research good projects worthy of investing, also how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with your smartphone, and lots more. And also I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of Trust Wallet, how to make use of PoolCoin, how to make use of PancakeSwap in buying your coins, and a whole lot of things about Trust Wallet. So stay tuned on my channel. If you learned something from this video, kindly subscribe and also hit the like button if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next.